Hello, welcome to day 3 of our daily vlog, or the video, how to shoot usable footage every time, aka the 5-shot technique. Kat's challenge at this event is to use the 5-shot technique to shoot a 1-minute teaser trailer / documentary about this event, Paul's on the Patio. How to get usable footage every time you take your camera out, no matter what. At least that's how this technique was pitched to me. So back in 2010, when I was first getting into video, I was looking for any way to learn new techniques. I didn't go to film school, I had studied communications, but really didn't know much about cameras. I found New York Video School online, which doesn't exist anymore. But the first video in the series that they have you watch was a challenge to make a 1-minute short film using the 5-shot technique. The 5-shot technique was listed as a close-up on the hands, a close-up on the face, a medium shot, a side shot, and a POV. Later I would learn the POV is also listed as something else on other people's lists. A few other pointers when using the 5-shot technique to make your 1-minute documentary were to always have people talk directly to the camera when you interviewed them, and seek to have one soundbite that you could pull from that, like a specific statement that you knew you were going to use in the final video. Learning the 5-shot technique helped me to feel like no matter what situation I was in, that I always knew something I could shoot. Even if I got flustered, I could go back, think of the different shots, think of whether or not I had checked them off my list for that specific shoot, and then get back to shooting something and get out of my head. An issue a lot of beginners have is moving the camera without purpose. You don't know why you're moving it, or you're just trying to chase the action and everything gets jittery. The 5-shot technique is intended to be 5 shots that are all 10-second still shots, where you hold the camera still. You stand there for 10 seconds, you get the action you're trying to get, or you don't. The person may move out of frame. This morning I used the 5-shot technique to film Chris, the founder of Mantle, while he was setting up for people to come in to work. And he was moving around, I didn't know what his motions were gonna be, and a lot of times he would move in and out of frame, or I wouldn't be able to really get those 10 seconds. But the footage that I did get still cuts together as a logical sequence, and that's the point of the 5-shot technique. That you learn self-control, you hold the camera still, and you get what you get, and then you cut, you reframe, and you shoot again. You keep doing that, and throughout the process of an event, or even a film, what you cut together will make sense. Let's jump back to Kat yesterday and see how she did at Paul's on the Patio.
ARF is a no-kill animal rescue organization. We have over 200 dogs and about 68 cats under roof right now. And we make it a commitment to take in an animal. We take them in for life or until they're adopted.
Take me back, come around. He says he's sorry, but he puts me out. I got a big chain.
What are your thoughts about using the 5-shot technique?
Well, it can be kind of awkward if you're in a big event, even a small one. You have to kind of get in people's business, and it can feel kind of weird.
Is that an awkwardness about filmmaking in general?
Yes it is actually. Although, for the musicians, I didn't feel as awkward. I think they really liked it. But for people who were like buying their tickets or something, it did kind of feel weird. But that might just be me being shy.
What was the hardest part of adhering to the rules of the 5-shot technique?
I want to move. I want to move all the time. I'm like, ooh, I need to move and get this. Oh, that person just moved and I can't see them as good. I want to move while I'm doing the shot. I should have stayed still, but I did not.
Thank you. Hey, just wanted to follow back up with you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. In the comments, let me know what you think about the 5-shot technique. I know it's super basic for a lot of people, so if that's your only thought, I mean, I guess you can tell me, but I know. But it was something that changed my perspective on filmmaking and really helped me to walk into a situation and have a variety of shots I knew I could get offhand without making a list, without storyboarding something, and to be good on the fly.
You want that ice cream?
Subscribe for a goodbye kiss. Hey, in the comments, let us know what you think about Kat's video about pausing the patio. And also, if you want to do a reply to this video, go to an event, go somewhere, find something or anything, do your own 1-minute short documentary using the 5-shot technique. See you tomorrow.